Hello, my name is Oscar and today I will talk about Denmark during World War II. During World War II, Denmark was occupied by Nazi forces. Danish people had a food shortage during World War II, so they drank coffee or tea. Also, their local food before the war was potato, milk, and bread. The three major cities of Denmark was Copenhagen, Aarhus, and Odense. Also, there are three countries that touched Denmark too. It was Germany, Norway, and Sweden. Germany was under Denmark. Norway and Sweden are top of Denmark. In conclusion, Danish people suffer from a lack of food, but added by Sweden. I think Danish people had a bad luck during World War II. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
We got one more click, Oscar.
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Okay, good.
Hey.
Good job.
Hey.
Next one.
Hello everyone, my name is Junior and I will speak about Denmark during World War II. During World War II, Denmark was occupied by German Nazi forces. Danish people had hard times because the German Nazi forces were persecuting the Jewish people in the country. There was a shortage of food during the war because the German Nazi forces were cut the food line. Their local foods were potatoes, bread, salted pork, and milk. There are three major cities of Denmark. It is Copenhagen, Aarhus, and Odense. There are three countries that touches Denmark. Germany is located under Denmark. Norway and Sweden are top of Denmark. In conclusion, Danish people are suffering from lack of food, but were aided by Sweden. I think Danish people are still afraid of Germans because of what happened during World War II. Thank you for listening to my presentation.
Hello, my name is Sam, and today I will talk about Denmark during World War II. During World War II, Denmark was occupied by German Nazi forces. Danish people had a hard time because the German Nazi forces were persecuting Denmark Jewish people. Danish people had eaten many kinds of food before World War II. Their local food before war were potatoes, bread, salted pork, and milk. However, there was a shortage of food, so Danish people could only drink coffee and tea, and they could buy only a certain amount of food. Denmark is located in the main part of Europe. There are three major cities of Denmark, Copenhagen, Aarhus, and Odense. There are three countries that touch Denmark too. Germany is located under Denmark. Norway and Sweden is located on top of Denmark. The term Scandinavia is commonly used for Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. Here's Sweden, here's Norway, and here's Copenhagen. In conclusion, I think Danish people suffer from lack of food or aided by Sweden. I think Danish people were sad during World War II. Thank you for listening to my presentation.